Alright, we are getting ready to start the next leg of my version of a BDR. It's the next day, October 10th now. I screwed up the last leg so bad, I'm going to have to go back and re-record everything because I lost my track completely. So, stick around, stay tuned, and let's see what this leg has to offer for us, because I'm not sure either. Never ridden any of these roads. Alright, I'll be back after this. We're coming into the town of Crooksville. There are 2 gas stations here in case you were to need one. But as far as a diner, I couldn't find one in this town. It kind of bummed me out. I was wanting breakfast. But there's some ice cream shops, Subway, Yuck, Domino's, things like that.
Turn right on Ohio 669.
We're going to be on this road for just a short little bit here, and then we're going to make a turn off. I am on 93 South and, what is it, 669 East, all at the same time, I believe it is. And we're going to make a right-hand turn on Tunnel Hill Road up here. Alright, we're now on just 93 in McLooney. What a great name for a little town. Getting ready to make that right-hand turn on Tunnel Hill Road. Well, as always, didn't have the camera running and I missed it. Just coming out of Crooksville, or I'm sorry, not Crooksville, but McLooneyville back there, or McLooney in all seriousness. I crossed some tracks and off to the left was a great big trestle. I'm going to have to make it a point to come back here and get some of that on video. Alright, we're going to make a left up here on Township Road 208. And we're going to go up here and make a quick right, as long as I pay attention. Anybody? Nope. Pike Township 210. Alright, let's see what this road has in store for us. Well, that was a real short little jaunt. We're going to make a left up here at this intersection. I'm assuming I'm staying on the same road. No, this is Pike Township 195 now.
In 1.5 miles, turn right on Ohio 13.
Wow, is that not beautiful? It may not be gravel, but wow, check that out. In case you haven't watched any other videos of this my made-up BDR thing, according to gravelmaps.com, it's how I laid this out. The majority of this route's supposed to be gravel. So far, other than a driveway, I've yet to see any. But that's alright. I can tolerate a road like this just as well. Still on Pike Township 195, and for the most part it is just a 1-lane road, so stick to the motto of ride right. How can you not like riding in the fall? Okay, we're making a turn right on Ohio 13 now, and I'll be back when I figure out my next turn. Alright, we are turning left on Township Road 231. Hey, look at that, it's gravel. Alright, I'm not a total failure today. Alright, first gravel of the day.
In 3/4 mile, turn right on Township Road 219 Southeast.
Well, I hope you caught that. That's one thing I've learned about Garmin. Don't necessarily pay attention to her compass directions because she's kind of clueless. Oh, there's a big deer. Big doe. There she goes. There goes another one across the street. Another reason I'm taking it slow. Besides, this road's kind of loose. Anyway, like I was saying, for example, if it's a north-south road, a lot of times she'll say, take X road north when you're really going south.
Turn right on Township Road 219 Southeast.
Okay, we are turning right on Township Road 219. What's this in the road?
In 1/2 mile, turn left on Township Road 218 Southeast.
Need a ball cap? I am making a left here on Township Road 218. And this part's old chip and seal so far.
In 2 1/4 miles, turn right on Marietta Road Southeast.
Okay, after only, I don't know, 1/10 or 2 of a mile, 1/4 mile maybe at the most, it did turn back into gravel. And again, fairly loose gravel. I just saw a deer butt go right into there.
In 1/2 mile, turn right on Marietta Road Southeast.
Another deer standing back there. Getting ready to go over top of the railroad tracks. If only a train were here, that would have been awesome. I'm going to make a right here on Marietta Road. Again, if you're not sure, I'm traveling from north to south to give it a little perspective.
Turn right on Marietta Road Southeast.
Is pavement? Yes, it is. Okay, I'm going to be back on pavement. Why? Okay. Thinking I just should have kept going straight.
2 1/2 miles. Turn left on Township Road 223 Southeast.
Okay, there's 3 more. I mean, I no sooner stopped recording, I might be on pavement, but awesome. This is a cool road. And yes, I am just putting right now, enjoying the scenery. I'm doing a whopping 40 mile per hour and a 55. Well, GPS says 35, but I ain't buying that any.
In 2 1/2 miles, keep right to Porty Flamingo Road Southeast.
Well, as you can see by the vehicle and the dust trail, it's gravel. Very loose gravel again. That I could do without. But anyway, I guess I got to get used to the bike wiggling, and I'm definitely way more comfortable with it today than I was back in the spring when I first started doing this stuff. Still can't say I'm 100% relaxed, because that would be a lie, but way more than I was. Okay, I don't think this is morning fog I'm seeing. I think it's a dust trail from a vehicle ahead of me, because it almost looks like a tandem wheel vehicle is in front of me. I don't know if it'll show up, but right in the line I'm in right now, sure looks like a fresh track from a tandem axle vehicle. Or I mean wheel, not necessarily axle. Well, it's back to chip and seal again, but extremely bumpy. We're getting ready to make a turn up here anyway. Oh boy, big hill.
Keep right to Porty Flamingo Road Southeast.
Well, We're sort of making a right here. And we're going to go up that big hill right there. This is Porty Flamingo Road. I'm not sure if that's what that's called.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn right on Iron Point Road Southeast.
Oh, that was bad timing. Start to go just as that thing's coming around the corner. Scared us both, I think. We're going to be making a right on Iron Point Road up here. Yeah, I see it turning the chip and seal again.
In 2 miles, turn left on Ohio 155.
Alright, it does turn back into gravel. Oh, wow, old cemetery. Too bad they don't have smell-o-vision too. That fall smell in the air right now. Making me hungrier. Oh yeah, you don't tell me about this intersection. No salt water. Wonder what that was all about. Road closed. Travel at own risk. Oh, that makes me feel good. Well, let's hope I get as lucky as the last one of those signs I saw. The road was pretty tame. But either way, I guess I'm going to be on the lookout. I mean, this is hard pack gravel. I wouldn't even say gravel, really. It's just plain hard pack. Bumpy as heck. Oops, speaking of bumps, didn't miss that one. I mean, I'm turning in a mile according to the GPS. I mean, if this is travel at your own risk, this has been one of the nicest roads I've been on today. Now watch, I'll jinx myself up here. I mean, it's bumpy, but it's not been loose or anything. There's a business of some kind by the looks of it. Okay, this is getting a little bumpier, but it's still good traction. Wonder what that is or was. Kind of looks like it was by the looks of the roof, but I don't know. Don't even know where I am, to be honest. Okay, this is the worst of it so far, but even with my rookie skill level, I wouldn't call it bad. I mean, I've been on much worse yesterday. Wonder if that's it. Superior Fibers LLC back there. Anyway, we're making a left on Ohio 155 here for a half mile. Okay, I'll be back.
In 1/2 mile, turn right on Township Road 392 Southeast.
Well, for the most part, this little portion has just been extremely rough chip and seal. We're getting ready to make a right on Township Road 392.
turn right on Township Road 392 Southeast.
Okay, this is it. Alright, a one-lane chip and seal road.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn right on Salem Hollow Road Southeast.
Well, this just snuck right up on me. And then look at all this. People just don't expect someone else coming around. Ruined his day.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn left on Township Road 18 Southeast.
So I am on Salem Road. And as you can see, this is getting ready to go back to gravel. Man, beautiful.
In 1/2 mile, turn left on Township Road 18 Southeast.
I never need to be a hardcore off-road person. These remote gravel roads are awesome as far as I'm concerned.
Thanks for watching part 5 here. I really appreciate it. If you would, hit that subscribe button down below, and over here to the side are some more videos to watch. Thanks for watching, and tune in next week for part 6. Thanks. Bye.